Ultra Mobile Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Ultra Mobile plans and details are in the description. Ultra Mobile is a prepaid MVNO running on T-Mobile's network, offering affordable plans with international features. It's designed for budget-conscious users, frequent international callers, and those who need flexibility without contracts. Key features include unlimited talk and text, data plans ranging from 250 megabytes to unlimited, and free international calling to over 80 countries. The service supports 5G and LTE with good coverage in urban areas, but can experience deprioritization during network congestion. Ultra Mobile's standout feature is its international calling and roaming benefits, making it ideal for users who frequently communicate with family or businesses abroad. The pricing is competitive, starting at around $15 per month for basic plans with multi-month discounts available. Hotspot data is included in some plans and Wi-Fi calling is supported. Activation is simple, either via eSIM or a physical SIM card. Customer support is available via phone, chat, and email, though response times can be inconsistent. The biggest drawback is data deprioritization in congested areas and occasional customer service complaints. Ultra Mobile is best for budget users needing international calling, but heavy data users may prefer an unlimited postpaid plan. If you need a low-cost, international-friendly carrier with decent US coverage, Ultra Mobile is a solid choice. Check the links in the description for more details.